There we go. So, good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining this demo day from Cohort 24, where this group is going to present their capstone project that they have been working on for 30 days. As you know, in the last part of our program, of our 9 months program, our participants have to present MVP where they have to find a solution to a necessity, and they just have 30 days to develop that solution. And today is the big day for them because they have to present it and they finish their 9 months journey with Holberton. So thank you so much for joining the session, for watching us. If you are here watching maybe you are friends or relatives from the people who are presented today. So thank you for your support, and the people who are here, thank you for your time. We really value your knowledge, your support, and we expect feedback. We expect questions, we expect feedback, because those are the things that make our holbies get better, or those are the things that make our holbies think in different ways, be creative, and find new solutions that maybe they haven't seen in their process. So thank you so much. I am Natalia Paeres. I am the program manager here at Holberton, and we're still getting people joining. So nice. We have a lot of people. And this is the agenda for today. We're going to have our general manager words, then our pitch presentation, and at the end, we're going to have questions and feedback from you, from the people who are here, okay? So Natalie, our general manager and chief of strategic partnerships and gender initiatives, she has some words for you.
Hi, everyone. I'm Natalie Lopez. Today, we want to celebrate you, Holbies, because you have taken a big step in your personal and professional life. We are very sure that this is the beginning of great success, and you can count on us and the entire global community to help you achieve your professional goals. Welcome to everyone.
Thank you, Natalie. Yes, Holbis, remember that you are part of a global community, not only here in Colombia, Ecuador, Panama, and Miami, you are also part of a global community. And this demo day has also happened, or already happened, or is going to happen in different parts of the world, from Cohort 24 as well. So everyone around the world is feeling the same way you guys are feeling. So don't be afraid. Let's start with the pitch, okay? Let's start with this journey. We have Christopher. I'm gonna stop sharing my screen so that Christopher is able to share the presentation. Chris?
Okay. You can see my window. Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
you're able to.
Yes.
Yes. Give me a second. I'm gonna put my timer. Okay, Chris?
Okay. Okay.
Wait,
Okay.
give me a second.
Moment,
I lost my timer.
Okay. Go. I are ready. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Demon Day. My name is Christopher Morales. Thanks for joining us. Okay. We know it's the end of the month, and I'm sure many of you are feeling the stress of meeting deadlines, wrapping up projects, and handling last-minute tasks. After all that work, you just want to relax, to do it than a spa. What if you could book your relation time with just one click, no calls and no waiting? Okay. Um, have you ever tried to book a spa appointment and found yourself waiting on hold, sending messages, or struggling to find an available slot? Traditional booking methods can be slow, frustrating, and inconvenient. People too relax, not stress over making a reservation. For example, how problems, complicated process, call messages or long forms can be tedious. Lack of immediacy, instant confirmation is not always obtained. Inefficiency when searching for spas, whether due to location, price, or services. Okay. Imagine booking a spa appointment in just a few clicks. With Sereni Stay, you can book instantly, no more back and for messages or log forms. Enjoy a stress-free experience because relaxation should start with the booking. Okay. That indicates a growing trend toward online booking in the beauty and wellness sector. For example, it's estimated that 17% of customers prefer to book their appointments online. And the next is the video. Okay.
Sorry, Chris, I don't know if he has sound.
You know, um, ¿tú no logras escuchar? Qué pena.
No,
We
you
don't
have to
hear.
hear.
No,
You have to hear.
I
Tienes que compartir el audio de la opción de compartir pantalla.
Qué pena. So,
No, desde Zoom. Deja compartir pantalla si quieres y cuando le devuelves a dar compartir pantalla, te sale una opción que dice compartir sonido.
listo. Okay, sorry for this option.
It's okay, Chris.
Okay. Again. Okay.
Comparte, no.
Book your
Good, good.
ahora sí.
Okay.
book your spa in minutes. Sign up. Click sign up. Enter your name, last name, email, password, confirm password. Then create your account. You're ready to go. 2. Login. Enter your email and password in login to access your account smoothly. 3. Book a spa. Browse available spa. Choose one, select a date and time, and click Book Now. You'll receive a confirmation with details. That's it.
Okay.
Book your
Okay. Um, Along the way, we were presented with certain challenges. For example, learning React, implementing fast CPA, configuring Nginx, managing time the team, and how did we work on that? We as our came then be learning, adapting, and improving teamwork. Okay. Technologies used were JavaScript, React, HTML, and CSS, all that in the front end. For back, Python, FastAPI, and MongoDB for the database. Okay. You have already reserved the time. You despair. You are just a click away. Come alive this experience. Um, to see Thus involved in the creation of Serenity Ware. Clever Edu Perea in charge of the frontend, Sebastián Meneses in charge of DevOps, and myself, Christopher Morales, who developed the backend. Okay, and scan these codes for our contact information. Thank you for your time, for your attention. Yes,
Thank you, Chris. Thank you, team. Thank you for your presentation. So I'm going to invite the team. Wait, where is Sebas? There you go. So now we are open to hear some feedback, and if you guys don't have some questions for the team, this is the moment to do it. Thank you, Chris. Good job. Good job. You can
thank you.
breathe. Hi, Pacho.
Hello, everyone. How are
Hi,
you?
Pacho.
Hi,
Good.
hi.
I'm happy to be here.
Thank you for joining, Pacho. You have a question?
I just want to say that it's true that, for example, as Chris mentioned, many times the study, the work generates to you a high level of stress. And for example, this career of programming and software development is a career that wears out your mind, and really many times you need to take care of your mental health. So you need to, for example, we need to stop thinking about the front end or the back end and start thinking in the weekend. So I feel that it's a great project idea. So congratulates to the team.
Thank you, Pri.
Thank you, Pacho. Thank you for your comments. And nice to hear you, and nice to hear you speaking in English. It's lovely to hear you speaking in English. Thank you. Juanse,
Hello, everyone. First of all, congratulations to the team. Me as a holby that also went through that process, I know that it's a really difficult challenge. Um, so to be able to to show up with something that is coherent and like you can show actually something is it's an achievement. So congratulations for that. I have one question and one comment. The question is, until what point the application was made? I mean, were you able to connect the front end with the back end? Like if you create a user, it really credits in the database. The information about the spas were hard coded or they were in the database. You were able to deploy or not the application to, I don't know, to make it online or not. Like to what point were you able to um, develop the application?
Uh, um, uh, okay. Hello, everyone. I am Clever.
No.
Is Antwords is special. Is in the first part is hard code, the images, but is I have the AXIS database. Is possible create a spa, add images, services.
So you mean the information
Is
is
real.
okay, okay, but the images are the only thing that is
Yes.
okay. And deployment, were you able to deploy it to a server or something like that or not? or just
Yes,
local?
is deployed.
Okay.
Deployed in code.
Okay. Okay.
Potency servidores de Colorites, de Holberton.
Okay. Okay. Code write servers.
Yes.
Interesting.
Hello there.
Yes.
Sorry for the interruption. It's deployed in containers on demand. It's like the service of Holberton HQ. So all the
Okay.
participants have access to that platform. Like something, I think our provider is at AWS. So all the things that they can do with droplets. I can't remember the name in AWS. What is the name? How droplets I totally forget, but it's pretty similar to AWS, and all the hobbies can access that cloud service.
So it's deployed like all times that
Yes.
Alberto. Okay, nice. Okay, nice. I just have one final comment. We have to be aware of the evolution of technology, right? Even more with AI. I'm saying this because OpenAI, I saw the presentation they did about Operator. They did that like a month, like 1 month, 2 months ago. And when you were presenting the application, I remember that presentation because now Operator, you can go to ChatGPT Operator. Hello, I need booking for a restaurant, whatever, and ChatGPT is going to do it for me. So you know, you now ChatGPT is a competitor. So we have to be aware of the evolution of the quick evolution that AI is having, and so we can evolve in knowledge and in ideas, right? We can You can even use it to your advantage, but yeah, be aware of that, and that's it. Congratulations.
Thank you, Juanse, and thank you for those recommendations. I know that we spoke in the team that maybe AI could be something that they could use in the future. So they are considering that as something to implement to their project. So good, yes, I know AI is very important. Freddy, you
Está
are
muteado, mano.
Oh, wow. Wow. Now you can hear me? Great.
No.
Okay, so I
Okay,
just want
yeah.
to congratulate each one of you for the effort and the thing that you showed to us, your project. It's like us having a baby between three people. So congratulations, you are parents now. Um, I want to start doing a question, and it is, did you make use of some code generator for making your project, like as Wins or another kind of code generator like
Copilot.
Cursor, Copilot? How was the process of doing this project, and what was the more challenging thing? Did you make use of a code generator or not? Go ahead.
No, it is real code. In my case, Pacho is very important in the process in my code. Is Pacho help me? Tell Christopher is the documentation vital is very vital. Only hard code is images.
Great, great. So I did this question because I know that everything is changing rapidly. Okay, everything is
Okay.
changing a lot in the industry, and for the future that you gonna have in this industry. There are companies that are gonna ask you, hey, are you making use of some code generator? We need that you make use of it. But you need to know where are the boundaries of using it, and you keeping growing, also developing your deep knowledge. I just want to give you one advice, and it is there is something interesting in this new age of the development, and it is that you need to use your deep knowledge, yeah, with one augmenting tool, which is the AI. So vibe coding is good. Yeah, a lot of people see that very well, but you need vibe and have deep knowledge. Okay. Um, I congratulate you all if you didn't use at all the AI for generating all the code, but you
Um,
put your hands dirty in this process. You dirty your hands doing this process. That is amazing. And keep doing that, but don't forget to check the tools always that are related with code generating. You need to have the balance between vibe and deep knowledge. Okay. And the other question was related with the challenge that you face doing this project. What were those challenges that you were facing in the process of making this project?
in my case, is learning React. React is new for me. The documentation is very extensive. It's, it's very interesting. But it's possible. I don't problem in React documentation application required.
Okay. What about Chris and Sebas? What were those challenges?
Okay, in my case, is the communication, the backend with the frontend. Yes, is a problem, and maybe the other case, um, learning fast CPA is a framework new for me, and so yeah.
Okay, so
Uh,
I suppose, oh, okay, go ahead.
my, my biggest challenge was exploring the new technology we use. Understanding the code, my challenges were waiting and learning how to run it on a servers. I use two NAGs.
Okay, thank you for your answer, and keep working hard, keep doing very well, because this is a very competitive career. Yeah, you need to be very, very, very polished each day doing your things, keep growing. Thank you for showing to us your product. Congratulations.
Thank you, thank you.
Acho, go ahead.
Yes, I think that already mentioned is really important because today the AI has advanced a lot, and I think that one of the most impacts is the quickly delivery of the things. Like, for example, the development time of each project, and I think that the companies that manage this deliver of development faster will be the ones to um, will prosper. So also I think that, for example, the tech stacks with React and Django in the backend is a good idea for today. And if, for example, you are blocked with some concept or something like that, you can use the Vibe coding, for example, improve. So it's important to take in account.
Thank you. Thank you, Fran. Juanse.
Yes, boss. I have a question for you as a team. Not talking about technology, but as a team and as person, as people. What was the biggest challenge for you? Yeah, as a team to coordinate, to communicate. Were you able to communicate well, to coordinate the tasks? Uh, all was fluid? ¿Todo fluyó? Or was difficult um, to coordinate yourself as a team?
Soft skills, guys. Challenges.
And, and these challenges of the team, for me, maybe is there were ups and downs of the communication, and maybe with con uno mismo, where, for example, and me, and a veces saying me that I know can, or this is bad, the code is bad, de nervios, sí, cosas más personales también.
Okay.
Is possible answer in Spanish?
Spanglish.
Yes.
Let's do Spanglish, at least.
No, yo creo que y algo que de pronto al inicio, una de las dificultades a nivel de soft skill al inicio fue de pronto la comunicación efectiva, porque pues hoy día es muy necesario saberse comunicar de manera efectiva. Eso al inicio eh, fue un poquito complejo por lo que teníamos proyectos individuales pendientes.
Mhm. Okay.
Y luego fue el manejo del tiempo.
Okay.
También fue una de las dificultades que se logró resolver, eh, tanto que alcanzamos a realizar eh, lo que teníamos previsto. Y a nivel interno yo creo que todos teníamos tipos de presión distintas,
Mhm.
porque eso también juega un papel preponderante cuando se está trabajando en equipo. No solo la comunicación efectiva, no solo el manejo del tiempo, sino cómo manejar la presión interna que tenemos y que de pronto te puede estar generando dificultades a nivel grupal.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. The the challenges were communicate and organize it to have more meeting, organize it time better so that tests are delivered and being able to finish them and move the project forward.
Okay. Okay. Just one comment. Be aware that Anata, I remember that she tried to say this every time that was possible, that the dailies and like this is a simulation of working environment, no? So and she's right. Like like working is no different than doing a capstone, than having dailies in Holberton. It's the same. You think because you are in a company, you are going to meet with really professional people and really mature. No, no, no. There are going to be all kind of people, like the most serious people, the most playful people, the most immature, the most everything. And there is going to be relaxing environment, and there's going to be frustrating and um, like eh, tensionante, ambientes tensionantes, va a haber
Like
todo tipo de
stressful?
cosas. Stressful environments, yeah. So um, you have you have to give your best in this area. You have to give you have to make sure that at least you are giving the best of you, like to for the environment to be uh, as good as possible. And yeah, you will encounter a lot of challenges, but make sure you give your best. Okay, communication, uh, emotions, everything. All right.
Great advice. Thank you, Juanse. Thank you. That's very important, guys. Remember that the capstone is is not something that you did it here and that's it. Capstone is a project that you will have to do as soon as you find a job. This is something normal, okay? In a job, in a real job. So you're gonna do a lot of capstones. This is just a little bit of like a sneak peek of what you are going to encounter in in the in your next step of your career. Okay, and tech skills very important, but soft skills basic. Okay, Pau, I saw your hand.
I don't have the option here for raise my hand. So thank you, Nata. Yes, and that is my question. What is next for you? For you as a team, for the project, for you as a devs? Uh, what what are you expecting? What do you want to achieve in the future? So tomorrow maybe you are going to sleep all day. It's the most common thing in after a capstone. I did it, Pacho do it, Juanse did it also, and it's okay. But what is your next steps? You are going to keep with the project and turn this MVP in the okay. We actually, but that was the same day, Juanse. The same day of the capstone, we go to dance. Ay, Juanse, me hiciste perder. What, what what do you want for your project? You want just keep it this MVP like this, move on with other things. You want to continue, continuar with this and do it better, do it greater, do it bigger. Do you want to do other things? Do you want? Do you have already a job as a developer? What is coming next for you?
Chris.
En español, tengo muchos notas. Bueno, con el proyecto, el siguiente paso es, lo que he hablado con mi equipo, es seguirlo trabajando, mejorándolo, porque es un peso muy grande como experiencia y entre más se le pueda mejorar y añadir, siento que nos ayuda a nosotros tomando más conocimientos y a la hora de que los reclutadores nos vean, pues tener algo convincente. Sobre el equipo, pues, a ver, siento que aquí estoy muy contento por haber conocido muchas personas eh, y nada, no perder la comunicación, seguir trabajando, mejorando como persona. ¿Qué va a pasar? En mi caso, anhelo y aspiro a conseguir trabajo lo más pronto posible. Mientras tanto, seguir trabajando en el proyecto, seguir conociendo más, seguir aprendiendo. Igual eso es lo que siempre se hace, ya sea trabajando o no, seguir aprendiendo, que es lo más importante. Nada, muy contento de la verdad.
Thank you, Chris.
I don't know if Clever or Sebas, you want to answer? Or, okay, go ahead, Clever.
Eh, bueno, no, yo también voy a hablar en español. Al igual que Chris, la idea es seguir trabajando en el proyecto. Igual ya tenemos los contactos como equipo. La idea es mejorar no solamente el back, sino también el front. Y no solo con la intención de que sea un proyecto que nos genere visión o visibilidad para ser contratados, sino también diría yo que ser más, más ambiciosos y mirar qué puede salir de este proyecto. Eh, a nivel personal, posiblemente regrese a vivir donde vivía. Acá. Hay posibilidades de que me regrese a Azerbaiyán o en este caso a Polonia, que también tengo una invitación a Polonia. Hay posibilidades de que salga internship en ambos países. Entonces, madurando las posibilidades.
Thank you, Clever. Go ahead, Sebas.
Okay, Nata. Um, into in Spanish too. Um, Pues la idea es mejorar el proyecto, pues por allí tenerlo de muestra en el repositorio para mostrarlo. Eh, Aún así, hasta en español, mejorar el repositorio y empezar a mandar hojas de vida como para empezar para conseguir la mejor experiencia, para conseguir la primera experiencia laboral. Y seguir pues trabajando en las tecnologías que conocemos y, y conocer nuevas y aprender y empezar como a meterse mucho más eh, en, en el área de la programación.
Thank you, guys. And let's finish with Juanse.
No, esto apenas empieza. No, mentira. Bueno, va a ser pues dos comentarios. Eh, Uno de ellos es en español, digo, es sobre el inglés, pero lo va a hacer en español, irónicamente, precisamente para que quede muy claro. Bueno, entonces lo primero es decir que yo creo que en términos de qué pueden hacer para aumentar sus posibilidades de conseguir trabajo, son tres. Eh, seguir trabajando en un proyecto que sea pues tangible, que en este caso sería ese que ya han empezado, su capstone. Pero tratando de meterle temas como que se usen profesionalmente, o sea, patrones de diseño, arquitectura, código limpio, eh, tecnologías que se estén usando hoy en día, Next, Nest, etcétera. Investigar de eso y metérselo. Eh, lo otro sería, bueno, dije tantas cosas que ya me perdí. Bueno, el caso es que al menos lo otro que sí era, bueno, lo otro que pueden hacer para aumentar sus posibilidades es hacer retos de entrevista. Esa es muy típica que pregunten, que hágame, la otra vez, por ejemplo, es, escuché, por ejemplo, no, que hace un palíndromo, una función que detecte si un string es palíndromo. Ese tipo de challenges así pequeños de lógica. Cosas así, sería bueno que también hagan constantemente. Y lo último es el inglés. El inglés es fundamental hoy en día para estos temas. Ahorita que Clever dijo, nada, voy a hablar en español, yo por dentro dije, Bueno, la verdad es, lo mejor es aprovechar cada oportunidad que se tiene para exponerse en inglés. O sea, si hay gente con la que uno pueda exponerse a hablar en inglés, hágalo. ¿Sí me entiendes? O sea, sí es una observación para todos, pues. Cada espacio que tengan para exponerse en inglés, háganlo, porque normalmente lo que uno tiene menos espacio para practicar es el hablar, ¿no? Entonces, sí, cada vez que se les cruce una oportunidad para hablar en inglés, sobre todo, háganlo, que es lo que más les va a servir. Y ya, pues, hay que meterle mucho, demasiado.
That's
Foundations
good.
terminó, pero realmente apenas empezó. Que Dios me lo bendiga. Mucha suerte.
Sí, yo también quiero agregar algo más allí. ¿Listo?
Ah,
Okay.
no, mentira. Por supuesto, Master. El
¿Qué
Master de
esperaba? ¿Que me
Masters.
quedara más callado? No, señor. Ah, bueno, sí, pero sí, muchachos, quiero agregar algo más y es que, como Juan se dice, esto acaba de iniciar. Este proyecto que hicieron en un mes ahora debería convertirse por lo menos en 2 proyectos en un mes o en 3 proyectos en un mes. ¿Por qué? Porque de aquí en adelante lo que viene es una competencia bastante interesante. Sabemos que todo lo que está ocurriendo en la industria está haciendo que muchos desarrolladores que tienen buen conocimiento se apoyen en herramientas de IA para hacer entrega rápida y eficiente del trabajo que llevan a cabo, ¿cierto? Entonces, eso implica que haya mucha competencia. Va a haber un punto a favor de quienes tienen conocimiento profundo, ¿cierto? De quienes en realidad, además de usar la herramienta de IA para generar código, entienden a la perfección cómo debería ser un buen código generado por la IA, ¿cierto? Entonces, la única manera de ustedes poder desarrollar bien ese conocimiento profundo es a través del ensayo y del error. Hagan, pónganse como propósito en estos 3 meses que vienen, cada mes haber terminado al menos 2 proyectos que enriquezcan su portafolio y hablar mucho inglés, crear mucho contenido en inglés o consumir mucho contenido en inglés, cero contenido en español, nada de fuentes en español. ¿Listo? Porque es eso lo que les va a dar esa posibilidad de ustedes aplicar a pruebas técnicas y cuando vengan estas personas que quieran ver sus perfiles, encuentren esa cantidad de proyectos ya creados. ¿Listo? Un consejo importante aquí es, resulta que con estas herramientas de IA, ya yo quiero que una persona salte de un lenguaje a otro sin ningún problema. En Holberton, generalmente uno aprendía distintos lenguajes, no sé si ahorita todavía estén en el tema de aprender distintos lenguajes de programación, ¿cierto? Veo que aprendieron distintos frameworks, pero va a ser muy importante que al menos sepan usar estas herramientas de IA para programar en otros lenguajes. Pónganse ese reto. Voy a programar una aplicación hecha con Kotlin, voy a programar una aplicación hecha con obviamente Java, JavaScript y algo hecho al menos con C. Pónganse ese reto de que cada una de esas aplicaciones quede terminada al menos en un mes, terminen de a dos. ¿Listo? Háganlo en equipo o háganlo individualmente, pero háganlo, porque es su carta de presentación. ¿Listo? Y créense un portafolio, porque pues lo van a necesitar allí. ¿Listo? Eso es
Oye,
lo que yo quería decir.
Freddy,
yo
muchísimas
quería,
gracias. ¿Quién está hablando? Rolando, dale.
Nati, sí. Buenos días para todos y todas. Yo estuve en gran parte, si no en la mayoría del proceso de Clever y Sebastián y Christopher. Em, o sea, ¿qué es Holberton? Yo creo que Holberton le da la oportunidad a las personas eh, con algún conocimiento, con nulo conocimiento en la industria tech, de hacer como un acercamiento inicial. em, y después, o sea, muestra como un camino y las personas lo recorren. Entonces, yo creo que es muy importante señalar la importancia de apropiarse de los procesos, ¿no? De entender que los procesos de crecimiento, de aprendizaje, de formación, a pesar de que, o sea, puede existir, sobre todo en un tiempo en que vivimos, que somos afortunados, como decía Freddy, información hay en todo lado, recursos hay en todo lado. Eh, es como apropiarse del viaje y decir, quiero aprender, quiero crecer, quiero ser mejor aquí. Todos, hay muchos que hemos vivido ese proceso. Veo a Pacho, por ejemplo, que yo mismo, todos aquí, perdón por mencionarme, em, entender que esto es de todos los días, de aprender, de crecer, de ser consciente de lo que hay que mejorar que uno siempre tiene que mejorar cosas y hacerlo de esa forma. Freddy mencionaba lo de vibe coding, que es bien interesante estos días, saberlo utilizar. Yo hago el ejemplo de que la inteligencia artificial es como una bicicleta. Usted puede ir a pie o una bicicleta. Steve Jobs utilizó alguna vez esa similitud con un computador. Entonces, la inteligencia artificial, el desarrollo es como eso, ¿no? Te amplifica, pero el conocimiento fuerte a lo que hace mención Frey es muy importante. Entonces, el componente de Holberton, el componente más del lado de computer science, entender los conceptos y ver que si tú entiendes que es una API, o sea, tú puedes hacer una API en diferentes sabores, o sea, puedes hacer en ROS, en C, en Kotlin, entonces es bien importante el conocimiento fundacional para poder hacer ya cosas de software después. Entonces, en parte los felicito. Sé que fue muy fuerte. Mejorar siempre, crecer siempre, entender que todos los días crecemos, todos los días nos caemos, nos levantamos y no, chicos, básicamente eso. Eso.
Thank you, Rolando. Thank you for your kind words. And thank you, everyone, for joining, for giving us the feedback. Guys, please remember everything they told you because it's important for your career development. That will be the next step that we have to face. But this is very valuable, what they said. This is because they they have the knowledge thanks to their experience, okay? So they're not saying it just because they want, it's because they have the experience, they know how the market is working, and they know what is important for you so that you are able to develop and find and grow in your professional career and find a good job. So keep that in mind. And thank you for sharing, guys. Thank you, everyone, for sharing your knowledge. That's very important. That's what makes this community strong. Okay, knowledge is for everyone, and we all have opportunities to grow. And if we grow in community, that's better. That's better for everyone. So I'm going to switch to Spanish. Gracias a todos por participar, por regalarnos su tiempo. Corte 24, felicidades. Terminaron, se acabó. Muchísimas felicitaciones, se vienen grandes retos, pero les vamos a dar un tiempo. Me quedo con ustedes tres. ¿Listos, chicos? Para decirles cuál es el next step, pero ya. Gracias por hacer Holberton, por confiar en nosotros y a todos, pues gracias por estar aquí, por sus comentarios. Tengan un lindo viernes, un lindo fin de semana y los que nos están viendo, muchas gracias por regalarnos también su tiempo y sí, por dejarnos como entrar a sus hogares y conocer un poquito de Holberton. ¡Feliz día!
Bravo,
¡Chao!
bravo. A partir de esa lechona y a tomar pola en forma.
Pau,
Los en fin de semana.
Pau,